Oh, no. I know you want to touch your dirt. Not today, honey. You got all this nice stuff to look at. No dirt. This little outfit. Fix this part. We're at Connor's Farm in Danvers, Massachusetts. It was an hour away from us. And we're just gonna have some fun. Look at all this. Oh, you guys are still waiting in line? Yeah. Okay. We're deciding what kind of food we want. I think it's gonna be barbecue chicken. I don't know. It looks really good. I got my little guy with me.
Are you gonna get the mac and cheese?
I don't know. What is it?
Oh, they got macaroni and cheese, babe. I'm getting chicken and mac and cheese. It's done. It's finished. I made it. We couldn't figure out what to get. I think I just made my mind up. Ribs, fried
Hold on, they let them rounds over here. Why aren't we over here? We got rounds. What are you doing? Right here. Look at that. Yeah, we gotta come as adults. You three have ruined our fun.